engine 12J686. Turning good. At the front engines looks good, as you can see. Look as well on the altimeter without any damage. And on this side, everything's good. Turbo look nice, as you can see. Turbo turn, gearbox without any damage. And on this side, engines in good conditions. Starter looks good, like new. Compressor without any damage. On the top, all connectors looking good. Everything nice. And on the bottom, oil sound without any cracks, no leaks, no cover. And turning engine 12J686.